So in this video, let us see what is the term that is field, record and file mean. So basically let us understand what does the term field mean. So basically this field is basically these are the collection of data or any information. So field is basically the collection of data or any information. Now let us take an example for understanding in a more clear way. So for example, so we have the example that is student information. Because student information is the collection of data or its information. So the collection of data it means that student information, we have name, where he is living, his address, his date of birth, etc. Now let us understand what is records. So what is records? So the term records basically means that these are the collection of field. So the record means these are the collection for fields. Now let us take an example. So as we have taken the example in field that is student information, now let us correlate with the record example. So record example will be the student information which is for a particular branch, like is he in CSE branch or MTech or he is in CSE branch or electrical branch, this type of particular branch. Now the last one, that is for the files. So let us understand what is files. So basically, as this three is correlated with each other, so this files means these are the collection of records. Like example, as we are taking the example of student information, so let us take the example of student information in the field. So basically student information for a college. So this is the definition of field, record and files. These three are related to each other. So hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video.